Nokia XR20 5G phone and Nokia Android tablet may be in works. Nokia's X series phones were just released by HMD Global. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 processor powers the Nokia X20 and Nokia X10, bringing 5G capabilities to mid-range prices. On the Geekbench benchmarking website, a new Nokia phone has surfaced. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset will be inside the Nokia XR20, which means it will support 5G. The phone will have 4 GB of RAM and come pre-installed with Android 11. This suggests that the Nokia XR20 will be a low-cost handset, though I'm not sure if it will be a scaled-down version of the Nokia X20. HMD plans to release more 5G phones at various price points, according to the company. However, in India, the lack of a 5G phone is deterring potential customers. Xiaomi, Realme, Samsung, and OnePlus are all releasing 5G smartphones in India. In India, HMD still does not sell any 5G devices, which makes sense from a business standpoint. HMD will reveal more details about this phone as the launch date approaches, but for now, we'll have to rely on rumors. In addition, HMD is rumored to be working on a Nokia tablet. The display, processor, and battery specifications for the Nokia tablet are also unknown at this time. Nokia's Android-powered tablet, the Nokia N1, was first released in 2014.